If we consider Switzerland's performance in terms of innovation, there is every reason to be cheerful. If we want to keep up, we will need, above all, entrepreneurship.
Basically, for us, what we need to consider about it is, first of all, is money.
We're in this moment in which either you die or you survive, but it looks like we're surviving.
From the preliminary financials that we've done, being a profitable company won't be an issue.
Investors want to buy a dream or to invest in a dream, and so they should hire earlier, like a sales guy or a sales executive.
9 months later, they need to deliver. They need to deliver a company, so that's the reason why we have such a diverse jury here.
Bad news. Joe is blocked for another 14 days due to this corona situation.
And it's a learning curve, right? And it's a stressful learning curve.
Yeah.
Yeah.